Douglas Spur. How are you all doing? We have less than a month of school left and only 2 of our sound of the weeks. This week, the sound of the week is the last letter of the alphabet. You think what it might be? Were you thinking of this letter? The letter Z. Z makes the sound Z. Can you feel your mouth buzz when you say that? Z. Sound like a bee's flying around. Okay, let's get our 2 writing fingers. Start here at the baseline. You're gonna go up, down, back to the baseline, all the way down, the tail up and out. Zzz. You can practice writing a Z with a marker or a stick in the sand or your fingers in a sand writing box. Zzz. Or even on some lined paper. Let's see how the lowercase z looks. Oh, there we go. Start on the baseline, up to the midline, down and out. Capital Z is almost the same. It just starts higher. There we go. Capital Z. Zzz. Zipper. We can zip. See the channel there? We're going to get the other side and insert it all the way to the bottom of the channel. Hold the insert side and pull the tab to zip up. Can you find some things to zip? What other words can you think of that starts with Z? Have fun.